How to change name on Air New Zealand ticket. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change name on Air New Zealand ticket. This is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Air New Zealand account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you go to the page automatically. On this page, locate the Manage Booking section and then click on it. By clicking on it, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be required to enter in your booking reference and your last number to retrieve your booking. Ensure you do that, and then you'll be taken to your booked flight. So once you're on this page, select the flight and you'll be taken to the editing page where you can change your flight, change the flight details. Then look for the option to change the name on your tickets. Once you found that option, click on it. Then follow the prompts to submit your name change request. You may need to provide supporting documents such as marriage certificate or ID, depending on the type of name change. And then be aware that there may be a fee for changing the name on your ticket, okay? The fee can vary depending on your fare type and specific circumstances of the name change. So once you fulfill all of these requirements, your name will be changed successfully on your Air New Zealand ticket. So this is how to go about it, everybody. Thank you for watching and go ahead to change that name today. Have a good day.